Hello guys, today we're gonna show you a cute pet ever that you wanna buy. They only cost $11.99. And here are the pets. Look, the pets. Look, they look so cute. Oh yeah, also look. Do you like these pets? And we can tell people first here. Do you like those birds?
Yeah.
Do you like those birds?
First.
Oh. So they like the birds. The blue one costs about 11. Those two yellow cost about 12. No.
The other yellow was green. What?
She's talking about the last one costs $99.99. That's it. Not 99. It's $9.99. So also go to our merch. No, I'm just kidding. We don't have merch.
Hey guys,
But
I
for you.
for you. That you can do.
Yeah, guys.
Who likes hammers?
And guys, don't listen to him, that creepo. Guys, on September. In the second episode, we're making our merch, right, guys? And we might steal some plushies.
Okay. We might do plushie videos.
Well, so this is our first time making a video, guys. So,
And after the birds are sleeping.
and one of guys, so in a year or a month or days, I can make the cutest challenge ever. That is so cute ever. Guys, hope you like to watch the merch. Okay, goodbye.